Picture this, you're having an extended stay in your RV and you're out of propane. The nearest Love's is an hour away and you'd have to break camp to get there. This all sounds like a sad day, but not if you install a propane adapter tee. This would allow you to hook up an external tank, save your marriage, and grow 5 inches taller. As a general obvious word of caution, propane is both a flammable hazard and an asphyxiant, so do this job outdoors. Start by accessing your propane tank and turning the valve clockwise into the off position. This is also a good time to ensure there are no open flames or running engines nearby. If you want to be really thorough, you can go inside your RV and burn off the remaining propane in your line using your oven. The tee will go between your valve and propane pressure regulator. Next, remove the plastic screws holding the regulator cover on. They tend to snap quite easily, less so with a plastic trim remover. If you do break it, any auto parts store will probably have similar trim screws. If you're really in a pinch, the venerable zip tie can come to your rescue. Removing the cover reveals the pressure regulator. Using a crescent wrench, loosen the brass nut holding the tee. Note that this nut is reverse threaded. You can tell on account of it being notched. Righty is now suddenly loosey. Position your adapter such that all ports are accessible, then hand tighten the nut to avoid cross-threading. The tightening direction here is counterclockwise or lefty-tighty. To finish, a quarter turn or less with a crescent wrench should make it tight enough. Don't over-tighten, or you risk damaging the threads and mangling the rubber gasket, which will cause a leak. Follow the same procedure to connect the pressure regulator of your RV to the tee. Once it's all tightened, open the valve and spray soapy water on the joints in order to find and mitigate any propane leaks. You'll also probably be able to smell it if it's leaking. When you're certain that there are no leaks, put the cover back on. It'll probably only have one spot available for a plastic trim screw, which you'll have to drill out. I used a punch to create a divot so my drill bit didn't walk all over. I drilled a 1/4-inch hole here, but your mileage may vary for hole size. Then, I secured it back using only one trim screw and saved the second one. And check out the finished product. Now, I can run the RV off of a regular 20-pound tank if I need to, or even run my griddle off of the RV. I'll now demonstrate how to do the former of the two. First, and this is important, before you connect anything, make sure you turn the valve off on your main tank, otherwise you may improperly drain your 20-pound tank into the tank of your RV. Then, hook up the portable propane tank with an adapter hose to the smaller of the two connections, the larger of the two being for supplying an appliance. My adapter tee came with this adapter hose. I'll leave a link for it in the description. Lastly, open the valve on your portable tank. Here's my RV heater furnace running off of the 20-pound tank. With how much of a circus breaking camp is, this is a really nice peace of mind type of feature. Until next time, thank you for watching.